Hey singers, so this is my last tip about the importance of planning your set list. Okay, if you haven't seen the other videos, go check them out. The first song, the third song, risky stuff in the middle, the last song, and now we're going to talk about the encore. Hopefully you're going to get one. And what is the best way to approach an encore? Well, there are a few ideas, it depends, but here are a couple of ideas. One is to use a sing-along kind of a thing. So you leave them with your greatest hit or an easy phrase that they can go off singing while they look for their car and try to remember where they parked. Okay, another thing that you could try is to contrast what you've already been doing. For example, if you've been singing with the band all night, pare it down. Do something a cappella or just with your guitar or the piano. Something contrasting, something different, something emotional. And then maybe the audience will love that and they will want another encore. And then the band can come back on and you can do, I don't know, a bit of a song that you've already done before, but something that gets people feeling good so that when they go home, they feel good. And that's the last thing they remember. So have fun with it.